Guys, we're gonna go to that cottage over there. Hi, Uncle Milot. Hello.
Hey, hello.
Uncle Milot.
Driver.
We're going to that cottage, guys. Gonna go over there and we're gonna go swimming. This is an amazing place. Look at the water, guys. Wow. This is a lot cheaper here than going to Hawaii. Alam mo, guys, we're over there. Guys, tingnan mo, oh, galing kami doon. Layo na namin. Pupunta kami dyan sa cottage. Diyan daw kami maliligo. Tingnan mo yung aming driver, si Mr. Uncle Milot. Diba, guys? Ang saya dito. Tapos, guys, ang ganda ng tubig, oh, malinaw na malinaw. Wow. Oy! Ano yan? Parang kakainin? Oo. Ay, siguro! O, tingnan mo ang lalim, guys. Ang lalim. Tingnan mo yung tubig. Ang ganda. Ay. Sige. Yeah. Uy. Baka tumambling ako niya. Thank you. Wow, guys, look at this. Tingnan mo naman to, ang laki pala ng lugar dito. Uy, ang ganda ng Marlin. Uy, ang ganda ng Marlin. Oh my God. Oo. Wow, guys, look at this.